trust, respect, communication, patience, and companionship. It is indeed a sacred and once-in-a-lifetime moment for both hearts. Hearts that shows deep love with each other. This love will unite them together as they face and hold another chapter of their lives. That's why this man is now ready to face this life with the chosen one whom he loved. In the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, and God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creepeth upon the earth." So God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. This man was born in St. Pascual, Ubay, Bohol, son of Mr. Loneto B. Betos and Mrs. Evelyn A. Betos, a faithful member and a Sunday school teacher of Bible Baptist Church, Mabuhay, St. Pascual, Ubay, Bohol, under the supervision of Reverend Hermenegildo Betos, teaching by profession in St. Pascual National Agricultural High School. Ladies and gentlemen, the man that I'm referring to, our group, Mr. Joshua A. Betos.